Welcome to SolidWorks tutorials. In this tutorial, we will know about planar surface. This command is very similar to filled surface, except the fact that this command only creates the planar surface or a flat surface. So to use this planar surface command, let us select extrude surface and select this top plane. On this plane, I take a rectangle, center rectangle, like this, and OK. Exit sketch and give it some height, take some random height, and we can click OK from here. And now we can see the planar surface is highlighting. Select this command and it's showing the option for boundary. So click on this box and then we have to select the boundary. And boundary, as we know, we have to select the edges. This is first edge, this is second, this is third edge, and we can see preview of the boundary it is creating. This is the surface, the preview of that surface, and click OK. And it has already created a surface. Similarly, we can create the surface on the other side. Select planar surface and select all the boundary. And OK. So this is the first simplest way of creating the planar surface. Another way of creating this surface, I select this surface extrude, right click and delete. Then select delete absorb feature and yes. Once again I select this extruded surface. I select this top plane, or we can select it from here, top. And suppose this time I take a rectangle, corner rectangle once again. And then I take line command, suppose a line from this end to this end. Then a circle on this part. Then we have to trim this line we have to trim. And OK. So that this will create the extrude of this. Extrude it some value and OK. Now I take planar surface, and as we know we have to select the boundary. Select all the boundary. Okay, select the edge, visual edge, and it is highlighting the surface it has created. We see, but one thing we see that there is no hole is showing. So to show that hole, we will once again go to surface and edit feature, and we will add the circumference or the edge of the circle and click OK. Now it will highlight the hole. And similarly, we can create the planar surface on the other side. Go to this planar surface and select the surfaces or the edges. Select these edges one by one, and similarly for this hole and OK. And this way we use this planar surface command.